This is my project for 5780. Wanted to go ahead and demonstrate it. It's a Servo Azimuth Elevation gimbal, and the intent was to be able to move a camera, put a small GoPro on it, on a drone, or do antenna measurements and such. And for starters, just to intro, the project was set up to use a serial port as a communication device from another platform, and provide a set of commands, a command tree that's based on like SCPI commands. So this subset of commands can drive the servos to any azimuth and elevation angle, as well as do sweeping functions and raster functions. So I'd like to go through a series of the commands. The first being just simple reset, which is RST, and it resets the device and actually reboots the ARM processor. Another simple one is IDN, which says what is the instrument that's out there, and it returns back a string to the host computer. And then sweep functions. Actually, before I do sweep functions, I'll do gimbal functions. Just say azimuth, go to a certain angle, say -40. Oh, I misspelled it. It gave me an error. Okay, so it changes azimuth angles on the fly. Same thing with elevation. You can go to any angle. There's actually a calibration table, so these angles can be corrected in the software if measurements are made to figure out the exact pulse widths that are required. Okay, so we can easily move it to any angle with simple commands, and then beyond that, with sweep functions, we can implement more complex functionality. So I can say I want to sweep azimuth over a certain time, and then I can tell it the bounds. So start, let's say -40, and sweep azimuth, oh, made a mistake, sweep azimuth, stop, 40, sweep azimuth, I need to do elevation, sweep elevation, start, say -40, sweep elevation, stop, say 40, and set a certain number of points for the elevation. In this case, we'll do 9, which should be 10 degrees. And then we can initiate an azimuth only sweep with initiate immediate, and this begins sweeping just in the azimuth direction and then stops after one sweep. Another command can turn on sweep continuous on, and now it begins sweeping in a continuous fashion until a halt command is issued, which I will show. And then we can do initiate immediate raster, and this does a complete azimuth and elevation raster scan, where it's going in those 9 increments in the elevation direction and continually sweeping in azimuth. So this is my project. Thanks.